The things you can accomplish with this, unmatched. Hi besties and people of the internet. Today we're gonna fulfill all of our childhood dreams and cook at Dino Nuggie Land. Right off the bat, I wanted Dino Nuggies. I didn't get Dino Nuggies. Imagine it be Dino Nuggies. It's now Safari Nuggets. It's gonna be a Safari Nuggie Park world something. It's not gonna be amazing, okay? But we're gonna do gravy from scratch. We're gonna do mashed potatoes from scratch. The Dino Nuggets are pre-made and the broccoli is broccoli. Before we start with all this, we need our fun little drink, and it's already 5 p.m. and I need some more energy, which means we're gonna make my stupid Americano. I'm more energized and able to mash some taters, which is basically just iced Americano with a splash of oat milk, and that's it. But I need this right now, okay? So we're gonna make it. Me and my coffee. Oh, rinse your espresso machines after. My stand is empty. Okay, now we are equipped to start. We're gonna start with the mashed potatoes. As always, I'm gonna put all the measurements and everything I used in the pinned comment. And yeah, let's go. I'm so excited to peel those potatoes. This works. First of all, big pot. Water, 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 water. Yay, all these flies are my companions. This can start boiling while I peel the taters. I got really big potatoes because they're easier to peel, but I'm gonna cut them down as well, just so they can cook faster. Fly attack. Oh. Ah! No! Ugh. No one will ever know. Ha! Demon cage. Okay, I'm gonna chop them down a little bit so they don't take 1 hour to cook. We're gonna wait patiently for this young lady. This is gonna take a while. I guess meanwhile I'm gonna write down what I need for the gravy. I don't even know if it's like considered gravy. In Germany it's Rahmsoße. How do I describe it? It's basically the most simple, heavy creamy sauce you can make. It's ridiculous how good it is by thinking how simple the ingredients are, but like, we love that. I would die for Rahmsoße. Not to be dramatic. Spätzle mit Rahmsoße? Sign me up. We should make Spätzle one day together. They're also so simple, but like store-bought Spätzle is a crime against Swabian humanity. I think this will ever counter a warrior. Dobby's even asleep thinking about this. Hi! Welcome to my stove. Ah! So what I like to do is I like to start off with 20 minutes and then I check on the potatoes until they're soft like butter. Okay, now we can start on the gravy Rahmsoße. Let's get it started. And I like to do this right after the potatoes so the sauce can like get rich in flavor and like incorporate all the ingredients. And you know, the longer you cook a sauce, the better it tastes. I don't make the rules. First off, we want to melt some butter. While this is melting, you want to prepare the vegetable broth. Or if you're lucky enough to have like pre-made broth, good for you, I guess. Melt, melt, melt away. I also want to add some heavy cream in there, some milk as well. Once this is melted, some tomato paste. I like to fry the tomato paste a little. Oh, don't. I also like to. Also like to press some. Ow! Ow! I'm getting attacked. I also like to press some fresh garlic in there. Give it that special oomph. Normally I also would put in finely diced onions and like caramelize them a little bit, but guess whose onions all went bad at once and now they don't have onions in their house. It's me! But we have garlic. Then you want to add your liquids in there. Whisk this all up a little bit. Since I don't have fresh onions for the flavor, I'm gonna add in some dried onions, or not apparently. If you like the vegetable flavor a little bit more, then like use red onions. And if you like just for the flavor of onions, put white onions. I don't know if this makes any sense. In my head it does. Take some water, some flour in there. This is basically to thicken the sauce. Put this in there as well. And now I'm gonna put this on low heat and let it simmer a little bit until it has the desired consistency. You want it a little bit thick. You want it to be lava from a volcano for your animals. You get the idea. Okay, coffee. So how you want to manage the next step is basically all up to you. Because I have frozen broccoli and I have this thing, this like... Oh wow! In the last corner. Back to it. For veggies, frozen broccoli because it is rich in vitamins and this is healthy. No, regular broccoli would just die in my house. Frozen broccoli. Another 5 minutes. Oh, we're gonna wait until it's... You see this? We gotta wait until the ice is melted down. If the sauce is not rich enough, you can add more flour so it gets thicker. But I trust this. Oh, I got salt and pepper, I just realized. Gonna add some salt, not too much, not in my last video. Because veggie stock is already pretty salty. Pepper, pepper, pepper. More pepper, and also more pepper. If you like it a little bit spicier, you can also add some chili. I'm not a spicy eater. I mean, it got better, but I'd be running around in circles if I eat spicy food. More tomato paste. But it's thickening pretty nicely, actually. My little pot crab. Yep. You doing good in here? Okay. Potatoes are supposed to be done, but I don't think so, actually. But let's test one. Oh, that 5 more minutes. And also the broccoli should be done by then, so that's perfect timing. Look at my little crab. Look at it going. There was a fly on my screen. It's also time to get out the safari mix. I mean, we don't have dinos, but we have little lions and a giraffe and elephants, and it's also cute and playful. My air fryer isn't big enough for both packages, so we're doing it in the oven. You know, these like little household tips that like change your whole life, and it's so simple, but you never thought of it before. Minus water under parchment paper, so it sticks. Simple, and probably 90% of you already knew that, but like, look at this. Perfect, flat, everything. Just as I am. Oh, it's actually only those 3 shapes. Look at them go. They're cute. I need some more flour in there. My crab is not sure about the situation. She's a little lost. We all are, little crab. We all are. Like butter. I'm so gonna burn myself. This will all make sense somehow, someday, maybe. Perfect. So potatoes go back in. You want to add a big chunk of butter. Toby, you're not getting butter. Boop, boop. Whipped cream, some salt, some pepper. First and foremost, nutmeg. Crucial to this. So what I like to do when I do mashed potatoes, I like to go in with this, like mash it up a little bit, and then I like to blend them up as well. Because I don't like chunks in my mashed potatoes, but that's really personal preference. Like it to be a creamy goodness. That's also why I add so much butter and whipped cream. I cut my finger with this once. Blend this all together. I think there's nothing missing. I just love mashed potatoes. The nuggies go in the oven. Now we're gonna wait until they're done. Look at my crab presenting the sauce. I'm gonna add some more cream in there. I don't have cream left. Okay, never mind actually. I'm gonna settle for milk. It's okay. The beige mom of the kitchen, salt and pepper. You could also add some white wine in there, which also is... So if you make more mashed potatoes, you could technically build a volcano here and a volcano here, which would be even cooler. Then we're gonna place some trees, little village. Okay, since we don't have volcanoes, we're gonna do a little river. Ignore all of this. Okay, so once the nuggies are done, we're gonna add them in there in your little village. Was my mic unplugged the whole time? It's driving through the wilderness of mashed potatoes. I'm apologizing for the audio difficulties in our little village here. I hope It's not that bad. I feel like it's gonna be very bad when I edit this. But look at our little village we created. It's so cute. It's so freaking cute. But now to the most crucial part. The river. Source of life. And there we have it, everyone. Our little safari village. Dino Nuggie Land, but not Dino like Safari Land. Maybe I like these animals even more than Dino Nuggies. I said what I said. It's so cute. So precious. Let's move on to the taste test. This is a child's dream. This is my dream. This should be everybody's dream. Look how cute it is. I have to dig in, but I don't want to dig in, so... So I ate so much of the mashed potatoes already. They are 10 out of 10. So good. This as a surprise for like everyone. Your child, your husband, your wife, anyone really, your dog. Because Dobby's already staring at my chicken nugget. This is a 10 out of 10 just through the presentation of it all. Like the experience you get. You can also build Jurassic World. Your creative freedom is endless. The things you can accomplish with this, unmatched. Never done before, never seen before. You're pretending like I invented mashed potatoes, but potatoes are my favorite vegetable because they're so versatile. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being in the kitchen with me. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Like all the things the YouTube algorithm loves. Drop me a comment if you want. Like how I should have built this differently or something. Thank you for being here with me. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Comment. Miss, you have a comment on Dino Land? You wanna